Hello everyone. For creation of graphical posters or presentations or documents, Canva is the best solution. Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual contents. Users can choose from many professional design templates and edit the designs and upload their own photos through a drag and drop interface. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the Canva. You are watching my channel. Let's know the botany and e-content development. And in today's session, we are going to discuss about the Canva. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Well, for getting Canva, you have to search for Canva and you will get this particular interface. Collaborate and create amazing graphic designs for free by Canva. You can double click on it and you can open this particular interface, and getting this particular page, first of all, you have to log in. So it will ask you for login with your Google account. You can log in with your Google account and then you will log in. Then this is the interface where different templates they have been already provided by the Canva. Whatever the work you have done earlier that has been over here, that is your designs. Here you will get the different designs whatever you have used before, and these are different posters, logos. You can use them, presentations. You can use them any of these templates. Now we will go for, now here these are different templates they have been given by Canva. Some of these particular presentation templates they are freely available, but some are paid versions. That is, here try Canva Pro. This is the version which you have, which is a paid one. And here for getting this particular Canva Pro, you have to spend near about 1000 rupees per month. This is the fees they are having for getting this Canva Pro. Now here you can use any template. This is the icon where you have to click for different templates, and different templates they have been appeared in front of you. Any template you can use out of this particular presentation templates, or else you can go here for templates, and here different templates they have been given. I will choose these educational templates, and then you will get these different templates out of which you can use anything. You can have designs for flyers, you can have designs for presentations, then cards you can create, business cards you can create using this Canva. So lots of different templates available for you, and you can choose anything from this particular different templates. So for demonstration, I will choose this particular template, suppose. So after choosing this particular template, you can make different changes as per your requirement. Whatever the topic you are going to teach to the students, you can make the changes. You can delete the material given on the template. You can add different material to the template, or you can change these words. Everything is available with the Canva. Suppose my topic name is biodiversity. I will type biodiversity over here, and I can resize it. I can change the font. I can change the size of the font as well. Here these are different buttons they are available. Then I can change the color of this particular word, whatever I have written over here. So this is how I can change the template, and I will resize it as per my requirement. Presentation by, you can change over here the name, you can resize it, and you can change the color of these fonts also. So this is how you can change the interface of this particular page. Then this is the second slide that comes in front of you, or if the slide is not there, you can add different slides also. I will show you how you can add different slides. Now this is the interface what we have chosen. Here this is the button add page. You can add page over here by clicking on add page. Now by adding on clicking on this particular add page, you can again go here for uploads. You can upload different videos or you can upload different images to your presentation. So here on this particular page, you can add different images, whatever they are present with your device, or some videos, different videos if you have in your device, you can upload them over here. Then you can add photos to your presentation. Now different photos, they have been already given by them. Any photo related to your topic, you can choose. Now we are discussing about biodiversity, so I will choose, suppose this is the template I required on my slide, and I can resize this particular slide. In this way I can resize, and then I will add elements to this particular slide by clicking on the button over here, that is elements. You can add these different elements, that is the featured one. You can see whatever the elements you require as per your discussion, as per your topic, or you can add these different shapes, you can add lines, you can add frames, you can add stickers or charts or grids, then gradients. Then this is another 213 different coronavirus related images that have been added by them. You can add these zodiac symbols or simple drawn objects, etc. So lots of different facilities they are available with the Canva. So Canva becomes very popular in short duration because they are giving you lots of different facilities to be added to your presentation. Suppose I add this particular leaf over here, and you can resize it. Then you can add text to your slide. So you can add a heading, you can add a subheading, or you can add a little bit of body text, as well as you can choose any different templates that have been given by the Canva. So these are different templates. Simply you can add, suppose add subtitle or subheading. So I will write down over here, that is biodiversity gives different benefits to the human being. Now this is the message I want to add in my presentation. You can make it large, you can again resize it, you can again change the color of the font, you can change the font as well. Now if you think that this is the background which is a very dark one, then you can filter. Here this is the button that has been given, that is filter. If you click on this filter button, you can make or you can decrease the intensity of the background in this way. This is how different filters you can have. Then there is adjustment button is there. You can decrease the brightness, you can decrease the contrast, then saturation, then tint. So these are different available features that you can crop it also. In this way you can make different changes to your presentation. Then we will go for next slide. So this is the template that has been already given by them. Whatever the unnecessary material that has been added over here, I will delete it simply by going delete button. You can delete it. So these are different presentations, today's presentations. You can change these different presentation points. I have added biodiversity definition, then I will add benefits of biodiversity. These are different options, they are available with you for your presentation. Then in this particular slide also you can add text, you can add elements. Suppose this element I want to add, I can click on it and simply I will go for it, and I can resize it. So this is how my presentation will start. Then I will go for third slide. So I have changed this particular slide with my needs, that is why we need to conserve the biodiversity. Now here you can also change the background. Here this is the button where you have to click, that is background. If you want to change the background of this particular slide, you can change it. This is how you can change the background color also by clicking on this particular button background. Then you can add music to your presentation. Suppose if I click on this particular music button, it will give you different music libraries. They are available within free version with Canva. Now this is the icon. Here you can see this particular icon. It represents that this is not a freely available music. And here you can see this is the music which is freely available for using in your presentation. So as we are trying to know about a free version, so I will use any such free version music and I will click on it. It will simply add it to my presentation. This is how the music has been worked. Then going for next presentation slide, I have to add a page. So I will click on add page, and here you can add videos to your presentation related to your subject. Different videos that have been given. Any video you can add related to your subject, and you can search in this particular search box. If I click on this particular search box and I give command that is biodiversity, then it will give me these different videos. These videos are available in pro version. Many of these videos, they are available in pro version. That is why I am not going to use it. Instead of that, I will go for another option for uploading the video, which is available over here in this more option. And here you can find another different features with the Canva, that is these different apps and integrations you can use. You can add them in your presentation. You can add a Facebook page, you can add Google Maps, you can add QR code, or you can add also this YouTube. So I will click on this particular YouTube, and then I will search for my videos, my channel. Let's know the botany, and I have one video of biodiversity. So I will click on it, and it will give me the video which is available with my channel. I will resize it and I will play it. For playing, double click on it. So this is my video that has been added in my presentation. You can add any video. So in this way, you can create your presentation. So these are different templates. These are different presentation slides. You have made them. Now you can give animation effect to it. So I will give animation effect to this particular slide. This is how this slide will work. Then I will give animation to this particular slide, a different animation. Okay, these are different freely available animations. Only those we have to use. You can give animations to each and every slide you have made. So that becomes very much interesting to the students when they are watching this particular video or your presentation. So in this way, you can create your slide. Now here, you can share this particular slide by clicking on the share. You can have this copy link or edit this link, and you can send it through the mail, or you can download it. But for downloading this particular video, MP4 video, you have to go for pro version. And this is how my video is going to download. It will take some little bit of time, so I will not going to download it. By clicking on present button, this video will start. This is how your presentation that has been created. So in this way, your presentation has been completed. So these are different options, that is templates are available, uploading of videos or images that has been available with the Canva, then photos you can upload, then elements, different elements you can upload, you can add a text, you can add music, you can add videos, you can change the backgrounds, then you can add YouTube videos, you can make the folder of it. So these are different options which are available freely with the Canva, and you can make the videos, whatever the videos you want to make. So this is how Canva is most beautiful feature. I will show you my another design that I have earlierly prepared. This is the design what I have made for demonstration. This is the presentation of 36 seconds. I will play it here from YouTube. So this is how you can have your presentation. Make this particular presentation more beautiful. Here different templates, different images, different videos, they are available freely in a lot of number. Only you have to create your own presentation, and for that you have to go for practicing this Canva presentation for more time. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Let's Know the Botany, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get notified with my upcoming new videos. Thank you very much.